10 hot dropshipping products you can see, source, and sell. In this video, I will review 10 of the hottest dropshipping products you can start selling right now, each with proven demand and strong profit margins. What makes this list even more powerful is that every product comes from Doba's brand new video hub, meaning that you won't just hear about the trends, you actually see the product in action, exactly the way your customers will. These items are carefully selected, ready to ship, and can be added to your store in just a few clicks. And here's the best part, you can test them all with that 2-week trial for only 99 cents. Let's dive straight into the list. Our first hot product is a Silhouette Massager, an electric handheld device with 8 interchangeable heads designed for body sculpting and cellulite reduction. It taps into one of today's fastest growing trends, affordable at-home beauty and wellness. Instead of paying hundreds for spa treatments, customers can now get visible results right from home with the lightweight, easy-to-use tool. It's especially appealing to health-conscious women, fitness enthusiasts, and beauty lovers. And here's the kicker. With a price of just $26.32 and a suggested retail of $99, you're looking at the more than 70% margin. That makes it not just a trending product, but a true profit driver for your store. Next up is the Creepy Wearable Blanket Hoodie, an oversized Sherpa hoodie that doubles as a blanket, making it the ultimate comfort piece for lounging, watching TV, or even working from home. It features a giant pocket, a soft fleece lining, and a unisex design that works for men and women and even teens. And what makes this product a smart pick right now is a chance to get ahead of the cooler months and the upcoming gifting season. Wearable blankets have been trending for years, and their demand only keeps growing thanks to their emotional appeal. It's not just warmth, it's the cozy feeling of being wrapped in a hug that makes it highly marketable on social media and a proven winner in their home comfort and gifting niche. Next up, we have a product that coffee lovers will absolutely love. This portable car coffee machine is a must-have. It taps into a multi-billion-dollar coffee market by solving a real pain point, the need for fresh, affordable coffee on the go. With a built-in 1200 mAh battery, it makes up 50 cups per charge. It's compatible with capsules and lets users brew anywhere from their daily commute to long road trips. That convenience and lifestyle appeal makes it stand out. Commuters save time, travelers save money, and coffee enthusiasts get barista-style quality without the cafe price. And in the wow factor marketing, you've got a product that's not just trendy, but consistently profitable. Next, let's take a look at the big ticket item that's perfect for busy households, the Geek Smart L7 robot vacuum and mop. This is all-in-one device combines vacuuming and mopping with premium features like LDS navigation, Wi-Fi app control, selective room cleaning, and powerful 2700 pH suction, ideal for homes with pets. Today's consumers love smart home gadgets that save time and effort, which makes this category high in demand. Target families, pet owners, and tech-savvy homeowners, or even position it as a luxury gift for housewarming and holidays. And here's the kicker. Retail price of $339, making it a true powerhouse for your dropshipping store. Next, we have a product every fitness enthusiast will love. Sport wireless bone conduction earphones. These open-ear earphones let you enjoy music while staying aware of your surroundings, making them perfect for runners, cyclists, or anyone exercising outdoors. They are sweat-proof, offer up to 8 hours of cold time, and use innovative bone conduction technology to transmit sound through your cheekbones, keeping your ears free and comfortable. The combination of safety, comfort, and style makes them highly marketable on social media. And with the rising trends of fitness tech, this sleek, lightweight gadget not only meets a growing demand but also brings excellent profit potential for your dropshipping store. Next, let's switch gears to a practical everyday essential that keeps selling. Boxed disposable garage bags. Each box comes with 270 bags, each with 8-gallon capacity, designed to be punctured and tear resistant. They even have a refreshing lemon mint scent to keep kitchens or offices smelling clean, and a convenient drawstring for easy tie-up and disposal. Customers love the practicality and freshness, making them a reliable repeat purchase item that guarantees consistent sales. Simple but in high demand, these bags are perfect for households, offices, or any organized shopper, combining functionality, recurring demand, and easy marketing into a strong dropshipping staple. Now, here's a product that combines style and practicality: the glass bathroom shelf. This is a 2-tier tempered glass shelf, comes with a towel bar, making it a perfect organizing toilets, towels, and other essentials while instantly upgrading any bathroom. Sleek, modern, and easy to install, this is ideal for homeowners, apartment renters, or anyone looking to add a touch of elegance. And here's the kicker: with a cost of $37.90 and an MSRP of $109.20, it delivers an impressive 65% profit margin, making it a high value, high demand item for your dropshipping store. Next up, we have a highly practical and in-demand product, the baby crib organizer from Sanveno. This hanging storage bag keeps diapers, wipes, bottles, and other essentials within easy reach, making daily routines smoother and more organized. Made with durable and safe materials, it's built to last. While looking stylish in any nursery or child's room, it's especially appealing to parents, grandparents, and gift givers who want a tidy, stress-free space. And with a cost of $38 and a retail price of $110, it delivers an excellent 65% profit margin, making it a strong addition to any dropshipping store. Next, let's check out a fun and practical item: the Sanveno Kids Backpack. Designed with a cute pet-themed prints, it's lightweight, durable, and perfectly sized for preschoolers and kindergartners to carry snacks, toys, and school supplies. Parents love it for promoting independence and organization, while kids enjoy the playful designs. It also makes a great gift for birthday, back to school, or holiday offerings year-round selling opportunities. With affordable pricing and a high-quality construction, this backpack ensures steady profit and strong demand, making it a reliable addition to your dropshipping store. Next up, we have a 1000-volt electric fat tire bike, a powerful e-bike built for both urban commuting and off-road adventures. Its strong motor delivers excellent acceleration, while the fat tires provide stability on rough terrains. Riders enjoy the perfect combination of speed, comfort, and style, making it a standout alternative to traditional commuting. With eco-friendly transportation on the rise, this e-bike appeals to commuters, outdoor enthusiasts, and tech-savvy buyers who value performance and sustainability. Its sleek design and rugged tires make it ideal for lifestyle and adventure-focused marketing. And with a high price point, it offers significant profit potential, making it an excellent high-ticket addition to any dropshipping catalog. That's it for our list of 10 hot dropshipping products you can start selling today. Each item is featured in Doba's Video Hub, where you can see it, source it, and sell it, meaning you can watch the product in action, add it to your store in just a few clicks, and start selling right away. You can also try everything with a 14-day trial for just 99 cents. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more expert tips, product picks, and e-commerce insights. See you in the next one.